I think this is a Blue Angel. This is a queer unit, man. Look at this fucker. Wow. That's a queer. That's a queer unit. I think it's a Blue Angel. I'm not even sure. Let's change the nozzle and the filter and hopefully hope for the best. Off. Five and a half years since it's been serviced. 5 years. So I'll change that filter there. Here's a leaker. Yeah, the old Federal Pacific breakers. Wow, I told him that he's got to change these. He's got 3 of them. That was dangerous, man. Federal Pacific. Wow. Here's a leaker. Years since the fucking service. I don't know if that's been 5 years, but she's definitely slimy. She's got some fucking slime action happening in there. Shit in here. Some fucking slime muck from hell. Bio slime. Bio slime. This is an F4. I got to give it a good bleed. Looking crazy. I don't know, Mama. I'm not sure. Can't even move in this place. Really bad. An old Blue Angel, I think. Really weird. I don't see many of these. I don't see many of these, I'll tell you. I wonder what this head's gonna look like. Probably gonna be ain't gonna be no prom queen, I'll tell you that right now. Look at this thing. The whole thing must come out one shot. Alright, so let's see where we'll put a mark here where we're at. Yeah. We're there. We're there. That's gonna have to come out. What a fucking mess. I'm gonna get myself involved with. did I get myself involved with? No, I don't think that comes out. I don't think it's just... That stays there. And then this comes out, and this comes out. I think. What a queer. She's a queer one, Mama. Yeah, that's what happens. This comes out. He is one queer breed. I got the power off to it, so I don't have to worry about it right now. He's a queer one. Oh yeah, look at the crusties on that bitch. Oh yeah, she is one crusty mama. What's that thing for? Wow. Looks like a Colin. Looks just like a Colin to me. Wow, that thing is really bad. Looks like a Colin. It's got a little fill-up regular. This is definitely not a regular. I don't know if I can even get it off, to be honest with you. I don't think I can. It's coming off. Wow, look at that. She is one crusty bitch. Look at that. Wow. Oh, look at them electrodes. They're like way off. As long as it fires, I guess. Look at the fucking distance between here. Wow. I don't know what we're running for a nozzle in here, but it's probably a 1 gallon or something. $125. Holy shit. That's a 125 in there. So we'll go with a big boiler, man. That's a big boiler. You don't want to go with anything too out of ordinary, seeing she's a queer breed. A queer breed. Too crazy with this thing. You have all kinds of problems. Break parts for it. You can't get parts for it and be screwed. You gotta go easy with this one, Mama. You gotta go easy with this one, Mama. It's a Blue Angel. Let's not rock the boat, baby. Let's not rock the boat on this one. Sometimes you just gotta give the fat chick a little kiss and send her on her way. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta give the fat chick a quick kiss and send her on her way. That's it. Look at this thing. She is one crusty bitch, mama. She's one crusty one. Put a little bit smaller nozzle in. Put a 1 gallon in there instead of a 120. You'll be fine. We're gonna bleed the pump. Bleed the air out of that. This one's giving me a look at this. Look at the wires. The wires are gonna be tucked in just right, and this is you better hope this transformer don't let go, because you're gonna be sucking air. You're sucking in air. I'm gonna bleed this pump. She's a crusty one, Mr. Lynch. Fucking sucking in air, mama. What has he got, a wrench on this thing already? Look at this, he's got a wrench here. Look at that. That's fine. That's fine. And we'll run that and bleed that. Gotta bleed the air out. I could fucking pull in. CAD cell. Where's the CAD cell on this thing? I don't think you can jump this one out. Oh, you can't jump this CAD cell out on this one. She just tripped. Let it cool off. This is one of them. This is a D control. It's a D control. See the protector relay? $750 for that control. good now. We're getting a good oil flow, and it should fire now. Oh, crusty bitch. Alright, see if it fires. This thing that's an old Blue Angel.
No, the last time
You get, this thing breaks down, you're gonna have a hard time getting parts for it.
Yeah,
Huh?
at that point, I'll just have to buy a new.
I'll throw a different burner. I'd throw a Beckett in there if this thing starts acting up, you know. I got used shit in the garage.
Yeah.
Worst comes to worst, I mean, that's what I would do. Just throw a used Beckett in there. This is a real queer transformer, and I think it's a Blue Angel. So I put a new filter bled. It had a 125 nozzle. I put a little one gallon in there.
Yeah, because it was too big, wasn't it, the nozzle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
So. I mean, it was really dirty. It's been 5 years since it's been cleaned.
Yeah, see, like I said, I read up on it and all on the nozzle. I was going to put a new one in, because I was watching your thing. And do you know what I said? I said, you know what, let me get him in.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think you did.
Watching him and trying to do it, let me get him in and get it. It's like,
crusty beast.
I just try to get what I can get done. So
new filter, new nozzle, bled oil line, clean burner head. Yeah. That thing never starts giving you a problem, we'll just throw a Beckett in there.
That doesn't need a... No,
because I'll tell you one thing, to get this boiler out of here, oh my God.
Oh, I know how to get it out, though. I just get a freaking backhoe over here, hook it, put the planks, and drag it right out.
Yeah, we'd have to drag it out with that, with a plank.
Right off and just hook it and drag it right out.
With a backhoe.
Yep.
Yeah, them Federal Pacific panels, that's scary shit right there. Well, at least you know about it.